learn along with Arjun. The last session we have seen about common noun and proper noun. Today we are going to see about collective noun. What is a collective noun? Collective noun is a word that refers to a group of people, animals or things. Even though it represents a group, it is treated as singular noun. Let's see some examples. First, let's see about people. Use these words for a group of people: family, team and troop. If we take animals, we can use words like flock, pack and herd. Let's see some sentences. A flock of birds flew away. Here, flock is a collective noun because many birds flew away. Next one, she bought a bunch of grapes. Here, bunch is a collective noun. I'll show you some pictures and I'll tell you how to use collective nouns. What you can call a group of singers? A choir of singers. A crowd of spectators. A flock of sheep. A gang of thieves. A litter of cubs. A pack of wolves. A school of friends. A staff of teachers. A team of horses. A tribe of natives. A troop of dancers. A fleet of ships. A packet of sweets. A bunch of bananas. A class of students. A crew of sailors. A flock of birds. A gaggle of geese. A herd of buffaloes. A shoal of fish. A pride of lions. A nest of mice. A bouquet of flowers. A swarm of flies. A troop of monkeys. A team of players. An album of pictures. A string of beads. I hope you understand collective nouns. In the next session, we shall see about the remaining types of nouns. See you in the next video. Bye bye.